shopping online for a new vanity table, I realized that I could just use my console table that I'm using in my entryway as my new vanity. So if you guys didn't see that video of my entryway, I will link it down below, but I just took the same table and placed it into my room along with the faux plant that I already had. And how I transformed this into my vanity was I just added that circle mirror, but instead I leaned it on top of the vanity. You do have to be careful here. I would definitely recommend using some sort of bracket in the back and hooking it on to what you usually would use to hang it on the wall, just to make sure it's secure because it is on a slant. I got this new vase from the new Target collection that I'm in love with, and I just added in some vintage faux flowers. I will also have everything that I'm using linked down below for you guys to check out, but the next step that I did was just add a candle, because since this is in my bedroom now, it is also going to act as like a decor piece whenever I'm not doing my makeup. This velvet stool is also from the new Target collection, as well as this basket. So pretty much I've been just loving the new Target collection, but this basket looks amazing and was really affordable. I found this bowl at the dollar store that just looks so vintage, and I've been loving just storing my things in a bowl as opposed to a perfume tray. So all of my daily essentials I just kind of stack on top of each other in a bowl. To me, it just looks more aesthetically pleasing than like a tray. This is from the toothbrush section. You're supposed to put your toothbrushes in it, but of course I added my makeup brushes. Again, that is a piece that I got from Target. These I just found on Amazon because I did see on Pinterest that these are like everyone's favorite. I think they're amazing, but I definitely didn't factor in the fact that since I am storing makeup in them, they probably will get dirty at some point, but right now they look great. So if you want to fill this particular console table, you'll need 2 packs, but I'm pretty minimal when it comes to my makeup, so when I was adding it in there, this was all I needed for storage. If you have more makeup, I still think that this console would be great because there's so much more space available if anytime soon I decide to expand my collection, as well as you could use the top of the vanity for storage if you really needed it. But as I said, I like to keep my collection very minimal, and pretty much everything that you see here as far as makeup are like my favorites, like my top favorite picks of all the different brands and different pieces of makeup that you would use. So I have a makeup collection that I will link down below if that is exactly what you guys wanted to see and learn more about my makeup pieces. But this is my finished little minimal vanity that I have in my room. I love the way it turned out, and I love how functional it is because it still works as a decor in my room, but it also is a place where I can finally sit down and do my makeup. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!